So I got some Palo Alto data, say next. And here we go. Looks good. So my data is single line. Looks like it's single line. I can see my time and date stamp here. Now, notice here that the source type came in as default. It doesn't know what type of data this is. So, and I've got all these various options, but in network and security, I don't have PAN data in here. So one of the things that's important is you don't want to leave this as default. It's like having an unnamed child. It's just not a good idea, So just give it a name so that we know how to refer to it in the backend configuration files moving forward. And so that if you need to make a change to it down the road, you can make it in one place, and that will sort of trickle through in other configurations, okay? So instead of leaving this as default, we're gonna say, I'm gonna call this Palo Alto default, just so it has a name. And I could leave this in custom, but I know that this is Palo Alto data, so I'm gonna put it in network and security. I'll leave it in the search and reporting app and say save. And we're gonna leave all of these options available here. And now we're gonna start searching. I'm sorry? We're gonna do, you're gonna see it today, I promise. Can I table that? That's actually, we'll be getting to that in about 5 minutes. So it's a great question. Okay. So, so I just ingested some events. Not so exciting. I see my events over here. There's, what did I do here? I think I may have made a little mistake. Hold on. Well, so first of all, I'm going to back up a little bit, but a couple things. So the first sort of big indication that something's not looking right is the fact that I don't have all of the fields extracted. So notice that that I'm not seeing what I would typically see are all of the available values or fields from Palo Alto. So I actually was expecting something a little bit different, but I'm going to move forward because it's kind of, the point will be made clear on its own in just a second. So what I'm going to do is, so with the data just coming in on its own, you're not going to have all of those rich fields that you want, that you know are in Palo Alto. So this is where the TA comes into play. So to install the technology add-on for Splunk, I can click here, and this will give me the option of either browsing more apps to install an app directly from Splunk Base. So if I hit browse, it goes out to Splunk Base. You can choose the Palo Alto technology add-on from here.